In primetime news this evening, Prime Minister Andrew Holness facing questions as Integrity Commission probes the award of multi-million-dollar contracts. Order will be maintained. Transport Minister tells taxi and bus operators to fall in line. And unusual approach used by the government as SOEs declared in 3 police divisions.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. And I hear he has some good news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, we're talking about inflation, and in fact, we're seeing those numbers trending downward, 8.1% for the 12 months up to January. I'll tell you why later, but it's the lowest since September 2021, so you want to stay for that detail.
And also here with a preview of what's to come in sports is Jermaine Brown.
Well, thank you, Giovanni. The West Indies women are struggling at the T20 World Cup in South Africa, but we hope that the reggae girls will be better news for them at the Cup of Nations tournament in Australia. We'll tell you all about that a bit later on.
I predicted will be. And from Jermaine, we go to Romaine. It's really dry, Romaine, who has a preview of weather.
Yes, it is indeed quite dry, and we do have some water lock-offs in some sections of the island. We'll have more about that in the weather report that comes up later.
Thank you so much. There's also sports commentary E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what's your reaction to news that the Prime Minister is being investigated for conflict of interest?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam1.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.